up, you guys? Gonna do an unboxing of the Navimow off-road wheels for I-Series. And here's the front cover. Come a little closer, you can see the front cover. Here's the top and the bottom. Same on the top and bottom. And it's the same on both sides right here. Talks about up to 35% incline climbing ability, stronger slip resistance, and easy to install. Yeah, so I mainly got it because I had a couple slopes in the backyard, wanted to make sure I had the stronger wheels. And on the back it does mention just what's inside the package. Alright, let's take a look at that. And let's unbox it. There's a little bit of tape here, I cut that already. There we go. Inside, this is what it looks like. Looks like you got an Allen wrench with a screwdriver on one end, which is nice. Some screws. Instructions, just 4 steps. Remove the hubcap, remove the screws, remove the wheel, put the new wheels on, screw them in, and then put the hubcaps back on. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Nothing on the back. Here's the wheels right here. You can see it has a nice traction, the spikes on these wheels. 2 of them. Then you have the wheel hub cover times 2. Let's take a look at that. Here we go. They're inside. There we go. Pretty nice. And yeah, I have. If you're interested in picking this up, the off-road wheels, I'll have a link in the description. Also, I'll do an unboxing of the garage as well as the lawnmower itself. Also have some. I picked up these extra blades and screws, 12-piece, for some extra parts. So I'll put a link in the description for that as well. So, all right, thank you very much, you guys. Take care.